So this is a two event we have understood how to make a triangle and get it modified with the shape tool, and making a logo becomes much more easier. Yes, you can move it with the shift button to get straight, but yes, for the timing we have understood now how does a triangle can able to move inside to make a logo design. Now that is only not the case. Yes, after dragging it up, uh, it can be change the numbers. So here we can change the number. So even after modification, you can change the number. And after changing the number of points, I mean like number means number of points. Yes, you can drag it inside. So it could be handled from both the side of the nodes, either inside or outside. You can push in or out. So hope we have understood now how does this polygon tool can able to help us to make a star, make a radial art, all things. And basic I mean, like basic property are remaining in the same way. We can get it modified later also. But the next is if you need to customize one particular portion or one particular node to get it grow, then yes, we need to convert that into curves. This is an important point in Corel. Every time if you need to get handle individual part of a basic object is such like circle, rectangle, polygon. They are like basic objects, basic closed shapes. We need to convert that into normal object, like convert to curves. Control Q is a important hotkey in CorelDRAW. This is to get remember. Control Q, often it will be required to use CTRL plus Q, convert to curve. So what happens with convert to curve? It convert a basic object into a normal object. What is the difference? Once it convert into a normal object, it doesn't have its previous property. Example here, we do find now the points or the polygon sides, how many sides we want. But once we have convert that into convert to curves, we don't find that. But here we can find this. This is the only difference, and rest of the things on the look wise, it looks the same. No changes. Then the difference in modification here, we can start dragging one, the rest of the things will not get disturbed. But here the same shape tool can able to modify the things together with all. So that is the difference between convert to curve object and basic object while working with the shape tool, F10 button. So hope these two things are clear. Now in the last session, we will learn how to make a logo designing and all things. You can try that. Let us move to the next page. Switch to the next one. Though we can able to make a star in polygon tool, but they have given a special tool called star tool. Let us find out by making two things different with the polygon. So let us make a polygon with 5 points and drag it inside, make a star. So this is how we can able to make a star with the polygon. But why they have given this star tool? So let us draw a star. So here the star tool is there with us, and we can start off modifying it, and we will see how does the star can able to help us. Now 5 or 6 point, any point you want to take, you can take it off. But here the difference is, here you can make this with measurement, but here we don't have a measurement. But both of them are the stars. We do have a inside coverage measurement with the star. So it will make the job much more easy whenever we are going with the low sides. So hope to make a logo designing, it is much more easier now. We only to drag manually so that it will go here and there a little wrong. But in this case, it is exactly moving all the points together. So hope we have understood now how to make the star tool to get used instead of polygon tool to make a star. It is a manual star where the angle may be different here or there. Something can be changed, but here perfect star will come up. Now the next point, in the same star, yes, we can switch. Two more options are there. One is star and complex star. So let us draw some complex star and get the number down. It is not working proper now. It should get crisscross. So let me take a new file. Okay, we'll check and let you know, like how does these three are different. But complex star has to go like this. I'll let you, on your system, it may be working. Just check it out. It should go like this. This is complex star format. But here it is not updating. Some of the reason, maybe I don't know. But have a try. But for the timing, the first difference you got to know, the star tool, yes, now it is working. It's updated here. So sometimes it is not updating. So check it out. Normal star and complex star. And the next is points or sides. So again, I need to check like how does these two are different. So here my system is not updating here, but you can try in your systems. You'll find the difference. Okay, so it is not activated. Fine then. So hope we got to know what is the difference between normal star and a complex star. Normal star and a complex star. In normal star, yes, we need to get the value to get down to represent it proper. But in complex, you can find a crisscross section, and here the numbers could be down. So hope you can see now how to make a design much more easier. Then after also the modification is there. Yes, we can drag this and give angle. We can go inside and give angle. So this is also possible. So hope we are understanding now how many type of tools are there to make a single star. And get it plus, get a duplicate, flip it horizontal or vertical, and make some more shapes as if required. Just I've dragged randomly, and there are two stars at the same place. So hope we got to know how to make a star design. Next one is more. Make a star, normal one with some value, inside value. Okay. Then convert to curve, Control Q, and get the shape tool, Bank of India logo. Is it clear? Next, drag it up. Now the artistical approach. Theory is one part over. Let's make a curve. We know how to make a curve, right? This spline is there to help us. All 3-point curve is there to help us. Step number one, drag it up, place over here, and same job. Now it is the time to have a cut. Just have a duplicate, get it beside for the timing, and select and cut out. And get this to break apart. We know, break curve apart. Out. Star plus logo. Within very small time, you can do it up. Hope this is clear. Ardhamandadi. Input and the output. We've just taken a curve and get it cut. That's it. Combine them, and at a time you can change the color. Is it clear? How to make a logo design with the help of it. So Bank of India, one only point get rise, star plus So what we have seen here, make the base shape, switch to convert to curve, drag other things and get it cut up. So hope the example is clear. Now make 5 to 6 logos with this help of your polygon and star. Take the reference and start doing on that. Does the voice okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Great. Thank you. Star plus logo. Hope got some idea what would have been done here. It is a very straight cut also. You can go for straight or can go for curve. It depends. Is it clear?
Sir. Hello.
Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Hello. You can unmute and speak up.
Yes, sir. जो स्टार प्लस लोगो में सर वो स्पार्कल येलो गोल्डन कलर है सर।
हाँ।
ऊपर वाला सर इमेज
वो कैसा होता है? ये
Yes.
ग्लो कैसा आता है? ये है ना
ग्लो
सारा?
एंड यस सर, ग्लो एंड वो सर वो येलो स्पार्कल सर।
ये वाला ना?
यस यस।
So there are two ways. Like once the basic step is done, it will transfer into Photoshop to make the things to get glow more. This is one part. And the second, these particular things can be done with your particle systems. Like particles are there in various software like compositing software. There it could be done. But here, if you need to get it create here, yes, we'll be coming to the next operation. Here, some tools are there. This artistic media tool, this could be able to help us. But the base part is done with your cutting is done in this way. Base part is done. Then glow and all things are done in next software. And particles are done in the other or in the other tools here. So hope we got some idea like how does it could have been done. Now, the purpose of showing is, yes, find out few more sets and start cutting it up. So how does extra portion going out? That could be tried out. Extra portion is going in. So take the reference. Now break it up from the middle. So here a lot of style of stars are there. So you can try it out. And so let's move. So take the reference and start working on it. In first take, it will not happen. Nothing to get worried. There is like one star cut with other star.
Sir, I have sent that.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Manish.
సార్ ఒకటి లోగో ఉంది, అది ఒకసారి ట్రై చేసి చూపించండి సార్, నాకు అది అర్థం అవుతలేదు. పంపించాను.
Okay. So hope this is the logo you have sent up, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Fine. So start start working on the storyboarding. Storyboard there are 1, 2, 3 boxes. One box is there and the repetition of the box are there. And the same box is here with a simple outline. So maybe like I'm just dragging roughly, get. You can do stressing, but yes, we can pick the color. So picker is there, which can able to pick the color. So first job is done. Just I'm taking it roughly. Get it plus and go to the reference point and to get it flip up. Right? Select this and get a plus point and switch to down and flip it. So first part is done. And the second part, yes, there will be a bigger box here, which could be a diamond shape. And here the outline is white in color. This is one of the case can be taken, white color. Then make the same box to play here. Just for the reference, I'm taking this angle, like which angle it could be. Pick the color from your skin. Now it is the rest of the thing is cutting part. So it may be in the back side, control down or shift. So this area could be placed and this is to be get minus. So, and here the strokes length could be increased. Just, this is a rough cut. You can be,
Sir, with hexagon,
hello,
hexagon కూడా use చేయొచ్చు కదా sir?
Yes, anything. So as per the artist wish, anything can be taken. Just I'm taking a rough calculation how the brain makeup could be done. Yes. And it is now the time of to get breakups. Once it break up, yes. And the next is break apart and get this part out. Just have shown you like how does rough work can be done up. But it could be done with the tracing job also. We know how to take polygon. Just trace this. So same logo can be done in n number of ways. This is one of the way. If tools are not clear, then already you have learned about which tool? Polygon tools. And it is a very straightforward logo. It can be zoom out and get in this manner also. So hope we got to know first method, second method, and a lot of method out there. This is not only the way. Whatever you are saying, it is not like final. This is one of the way. This is another way. And get them and pick the color with the color picker. Click, 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 click. Just one click. But it could be fine-tuned. So you can zoom in and do it grid. Is it okay now? It's clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Fantastic. So these are events for the type. So logo making will be the first thing. So start with very basic things, then slowly you can switch to the complex one. So hope we have understood now how to use this star and get it up. Make a star with the star tool, which is here, and get it down with a proper calculation. Fill the color with required and get a duplicate by the plus button and place the same star at the same place with a white color and get the stroke to be none. Either you can give a right click here or there. So what you're seeing now, make a cut with the same shape. So this is another approach to the star. So hope we have seen different approach to the stars. Bank of India, star plus, extra one star. Oh, the cursor is not working proper. Let's move again to next height of the tool. Spiral. What key? A. Spiral means this circular design. This is an open shape. It's not a closed shape. It is an open shape. Now the same circle go in a radial manner, open shape. Now there are two types of spirals out there. One is symmetric spiral where the distance is same, but the other one you can find logarithmic spiral. So let us go for logarithmic spiral. Here what happens? The circle are very closer to each other. So we got to know now there are two ways of making a spiral. This is symmetric, equal gaps, and this is logarithmic. What is logarithmic? The next circle will be much more smaller compared to the previous one. The gaps, I mean to say that. The gaps are closer and closer and closer. Here the gaps are same. So hope we have understood now the spiral could be done in two different manners. Now, the making of these spirals depends. Check to the screen. If you're dragging from up to down, counterclockwise, down to up, so there is another format we can find it out. Okay, in all the way it is working in the same way, but the ending portion is depend upon where you are leaving. Now, number of steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is. Let us increase to 20. Drag. Now 20 steps are there. Now while drawing, we can use the shift button and drag, or like control and drag, control and shift and drag. Now get a duplicate and reverse. The optical illusion can be formed here because this is two circles, spirals, one above to the other. And move it. Just arrangement going on. Is it done? Next point. Spiral tool, hotkey A. Let us modify it up. Let's take only 2. Now break the points. How to break it up? Control Q, convert to curve. Object. Yes. Here one of the option can find convert outline to object. This is a new options you find here. So what is that? Convert outline to object. Here we can make to go for thickness mode. So before to that, so let us break it up. Normal breaking and thickness breaking. So let us see. The same object can able to be go in 2 different way. It is just an open set, so directly it works. Get break. After breaking, yes, break apart. And then after, yes, we can change the color by right click. And we can change the thickness too. And the thickness too. So let us change the thickness. Hope the structure is clear, like how does it form. Now the second part of modifying in the line. Yes, it is not only for spiral, even for a freehand drawing, it works. So what is that? We can go for convert to curve outline. So this 2 sets can go through a processing inside the object menu called convert outline to object. Once you're converting outline to object, we can find a thickness inside your same stroke. So the stroke will turn into fill color through the option called convert outline to object. Note it down. It's a new thing you have learned and it is quite important thing. So what happens with this? We can convert the outline to turn into fill. So that what will happen, we can give thickness to a certain part of your line. As well as we can make a stroke over to the stroke. There are 2 benefits of converting a spline into convert to outline. What are those? We can give thickness to the line at any point we want. Second, we can put an outline to the outline. This is an outline or a stroke. We can put a stroke to the stroke. This is benefit. Let us see in a practical manner. We want to make a snake, right? So snake does have a thick shape in the upside. Then what to do? Select the line, switch to the option, convert outline to object, control shift Q. So note down here, control shift Q. Convert outline. What is that? Object. Now let us see the practical. So once it is convert outline to stroke, yes, at any point we can get it drag a little more. So hope we have understood now how to give thickness to a line. Does this option clear? Is it okay? Now making a leaf, making some tentacles, getting a snake, everything is one click, go. Check now. So let us change the thickness, because the volume we can generate first itself, okay. Drag this. So this is the thickness of this next, which is to be get maintained. Now let's go for here, the object, convert to create outline, Control Shift Q. What happened over here? Yes, the stroke turn into fill. Now it's the time to select this much of area and drag it up. Yes. Now modifying can be done later with a lot of tools are there. Just to show you with minimum things like, yes, I can delete this if not necessary. If not necessary, we can delete unwanted nodes so that it will be easy for get us modify. Now here also the same. We can delete the unwanted. Yes, delete and delete. Yes, just we are trying to maintain the safe as well as deleting the nodes, not like randomly to be get delete. Yes, and track now. So hope we have understood now how to make a snake just by dragging this line, input and output. Is it okay? Now the shape tool. Yes, I'm very slow and I'm taking your approval. Double click and go inside. Now have double click, zoom it up and bring the inside again out. Again, two inputs, just have a double click and get this go inside. So now we are finding how to make the tongue of this snake. Get it fit to the window, F4. Is it clear? Is it okay? So how to convert this shapes? Because this is a designing software and we need to imagine. So one of the options output it is that is called convert outline to object. Convert outline to object. So let us take more case here. Let us take a straight line. Now we need to have the points around it. We can convert it on. Object, we can create it with a box also. Just to show you like if it is a bend, then what? So let us take a case of the bend. B-spline, drag, click, and drag. Okay, fine. So rather than B-spline, we'll go for the 3-point line. What is that? So here it is, the system is not updating, but yes, on your system it will work out. 3-point curve. Click, click, drag. Hope it is done. Now it's the time to go for making the thickness. Convert that into outline. Take this shape tool and drag the middle area. Toward extension plot. Now drag this also. And have a double click and delete unwanted things. And have a double click and add the points. So hope we have understood now what is happening on this screen. Just a simple line and rest of the things are double clicking the line and converting it into curve and getting place them proper. Take the reference and start working. Is it okay? Have a double click and go inside. Have a double click to control it up. Yes, take the zoom tool and go to the top side. Take the recept tool. One side. And make it smooth. Already you have learned how to make it smooth. Smooth. Is it okay? So hope we have understood now how to make this under your control. Now, if you need to get it independently to handle, then what is the things to be done? Caps node, more important this is. Coral revolve around these 3 points. Caps node, independent movement of your tangent. Or else double click and remove unnecessary nodes. So F4. So hope we have understood now how to make structural design with the base set. You can do wonder, millions of ideas there in your brain. Start working on it. Get elephant structure, all the things from the base sets. Just a simple line, and rest of the things are modification. Hope it is clear. And start working with these points. Already you have learned this. What is this? Reflection nodes. Just start working. How does it is going to help us? If it is to get move both sides separately. No, it is not working. But my system is not in update mode. But on your system it will work. Check. It is working very nice. Now to get the eye structure. Yes. Add up more eyes and get the thickness to go down so it looks huge. And get it filled with the white color. And get a plus point to have a duplicate. Make the eyeball. Select reverse the color or fill it with black. Hope it is done. The same job can be done to the other structure also. Is it clear? Next, now giving structure to this, just I'm developing the scene because this will be your job once you're sitting on a designing table. They expect you will do magic for them. Yes. Now the hand development has to be done up. Yes. Block the area. Have a double click and drag it out. The inside part. Is it okay? So we're just dragging with either with the tangent or by the nodes, but drag it out. Block it up before you drag. So double clicking here. And yes. Just adding the point, deleting the point, controlling the tangent. That is what your job. Add the points. By double click on this line, we can add the points. Oh, this is making me trouble. But it should work on your system. So it is not adding properly. So now, yes, drag more. And if you need to create a finger, how to create a finger? Same job. Go inside, go outside. So that this, get it zoom, take the reset tool. Take reference. Yes, patience required. I do understand. It's not like one click go. Block the things and modify this. Okay. And then, so hope we have understood now how to add the structures and get it go. Now, how to develop the next hand on the back side. On one character, the whole software can be done up. Get it into your grip. Now it is the time to get a cut. How to make a cut? Yes. Take the line tool, freehand. Get the thickness down to hairline. This is one of the way to cut, or else, yes. You can select this and break it at this point. Just breaking it up for the timing. Get an outline. And change the thickness. And switch that into break apart. And get this part out. So hope we got to know how to detach the things. Get it plus, get it out. Now attach it once more. How to attach? Select these two design. Okay. Attach, combine this. And yes, we need to add those points. So I have done more job now, but you can do it in less. Just I'm joining the things. Now here this line is separate. You can select these two lines and combine this. Go to the step tool and find two arrows wherever, join them. Yes, this is the place where you can find middle button to pan it up. So hope we are getting what is happening on the screen, and combining, make a structure and come in the next session. This is what to be done. I'm just taking everything to be done on your front, but we expect you'll be doing a character designing and bringing up in the next class. Character design should be done. Okay, it is not filling the color. That means there is somewhere the openness is there. So how to find the openness? By finding the arrow button. So this is the place where it is not attached. Select this and let's combine this. So how to find the breakages and how to fulfill this happening on your screen. So hope we have understood now how to detach, how to attach. Next is the time to go for get them close. But it could be in gray color because it is on the other side. And get it placed here and send it to the back side. How to send back side? Ordering, send to back. Is it clear? Make a ball to be placed on your hand, on the hand, a line, and get the ball to behind the screen, one step back or complete back. What is that? Order. Back one, forward one to back of layers. And get this and do the same job. Back of layers. So hope we find how to get a structural design. Is it okay? It is head has to be on the front or back. Then again, you need to cut at this point. Hope it is clear. Get them all into a group by the object menu. Group it up. Control Z. Make the story run now. Now at this place, we need to have a different dress coding. So make a shape, cut a shape, proceed further. This is what the things go on. Now we'll do in the next method. So get this much of area to be of other color. Select this two and get it black out. So let's see. Fine. So here already cut is there or not? I need to check. Already cut came up. And it is a time to get what? Break apart. Select this area and change the color. So the other way to do the same job, we have started making it curve and break it up, change the color. So hope we have understood this. Is it clear? Does it okay? Just I'm taking your approval because this is not compulsory for everyone. But if you want to go into industry as an artist with high paid salary, then drawing to be done. And everyone can do, yes, patience required. But I'm just switching to those part which is uncompetition, no competition at all. Once you start of making character, every company now they are looking one logo designing and mascot design. Mascot means making a character for the company. Your package will be high, but this is required. Hope this is reaching and we can expect, you can imagine something and get the things processed. What is happening on the screen? Just save tool, double click, delete, drag, delete, drag. But yes, you can scribble it up in your pen paper, then look to that and draw. So that will be a reference point for you. So hope we have understood one option today, that is called convert to outline, and rest of the things is magic. So draw this line, switch to the thin, break it up. Now make a tree and come up in the next session. Make a character, come up. I'm there to help you out. Wherever you're stuck, just let me know. And we'll try to make it go for finishing. Because once CorelDRAW is done, then people are expecting your sorrel, what you have done. It should be in your blog. At that point, it will help you out. Make character design, that's it. So I am there to help you out, but come up with your queries, that's it. Now break the line to multi-part. From here, you can go the next one. That one of the things can be done, break. So what you have done, just one line and break the line and switch to the break apart, get the things to be duplicate and change this angle. So hope we have understood what happened on this screen. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now the next, add the point, select the point, break the point, convert to curve, release to separate, select the point or select the line, get it copy paste, switch to this and get it out, change the angle. Your start point will be the same. So what we have seen here, draw the line from the line. Don't try to create a line. This is a formula of what I have understood that I'm passing it out. Sometimes we feel to create the things and you get stuck and it doesn't match the rhythm. Rhythm match hota ledu. Kani ade line flow meede malli oka line tayar chestunante rhythm maintain అవుతుంది. Fine then, so hope we have understood what is happening on the screen. Now it is the time to go for what? Select this, add some point. Add the point. Again add some point. The reason behind it, we want to make a small leaf here. That is what the reason why you are adding the point. What is happening in the brain, I'm just passing it out. Because 70% things are happening in the brain, only the 30% on the screen. Now select the nodes and break it up. It was a problem for me. How they are doing what, click just enduku kanpadtaledu. YouTube may they click convert, but why they are doing that is not happening in the page. So that in that angle, I'm just passing this voice over. Now it is the time to get it break apart. Yes. Get it separate. Now it is the time to go for what? The option today we have learned. Convert outline to object. Sorry. So now it is zoom stress. Select this point and drag it. So hope we have understood now how to make a leaf proper. Is it clear? Now is the time to go for the upper nodes to get close to a single point and get it sharp. So make a flow, make a line from the line, and you can do wonders. Yes. You got to know the technique, what is happening, and the rest of the thing is magic, and anybody can do this. And how to make the color to turn into dark green. How to find the dark green in CorelDRAW? What is that window which shows us the color? Question over. This is expected. And the answer is Docker property window. Answer should be this. Switch to this button and get it clear. So hope we got to know. We know the tools, but on the spot, it has to come on to gray. Which tool to be get used where? Is it okay? Now it's the time to do the same job for others. Have the patience and make the whole floral design, whole leaf design, tentacles and all. That could be done up. Now the same color has to flow over here. How to do this? Select this line and switch to the picker, click and click. So easy. What is the next tool we have learned today? Picker tool. Color eyedrop tool. Wonderful tool. It pick the color from one place to the other place, not only the fill, even the strokes. Now, is it okay? And or clear? Will I move to the next? Just I'm taking your approval because we can make it more complex. Now, split the leaf into two parts and get two sides, two different color. A customer will ask you like this. Midrib kavala, east side of color kavala. Then idi outundi ante malli nerves cheyandi. Midrib is the center part portion, then nerves. So that is waiting for you. How much you want? Just tell us the salary package you want. They will ask this. I need this much of money, and they are ready to pay you. But the things, human nervous system, they are changing. How complex things we can able to handle, that makes a sense. Okay, just to give you confidence, I'm giving you this. That means your salary is not a boundary. You can demand how much you want, but condition, what the client is asking, we need to reach to that. So what is the customer is asking? Break it up. Central point break cheyandi. Break chesin tarvata akkada color veru, ikkada color veru kavali. How to do this now? Ila cheyala. Step number 1. Go to the 2-point, 3-point curve. Very simple. Why we have taken this? Because it will give us a curvical structure. And we can block this. And then after we can modify this. No issues. But yes, a line could be placed. With a headline, it is, but still it is in zoom condition, that's why it is looking bigger. And the second line could be a duplicate of this. How to get duplicate? Copy paste. Now get the second line to move a little. So it creates a shape of a triangle. Now it is a time to get join both. We could even compromise and gone further. Practicing as a picture. Just I'm taking the like hardcore persons to do this. So we expect this could be done from you. Now select both close this and select this and close this. Now it is the time to get the cut. Select both of them and we know how to cut. You understand? So hope we got to know how to make a cut. Now it is the time to change the color. Yes, pick the color and fill it over here. Not in the stroke. We can make the stroke to go for none, but I need it in the fill, but it is not showing proper. Get it zoom once more and get the color to get fill inside. Oh, so let's fill it up. This is what the fill, and pick the color from here, and it's not allowing me. Get the strokes to be none first, then fill color could be done from here. So hope we have understood now how to make a leaf design and break the design to part and get it convert to.
Sir, time up, sir.
Yes, yes, so sorry. So we'll get it.
Am I
closed.
taking extra class?
Just I'm closing it now. That's it for the day. The session is over. You can log out. So the fill could be taken from Alt and Enter and get the color change. Just I try my level best to make you reach to make a subjective drawing, objective drawing, micro level drawing. Hope this session can able to help you out. Thanks for your patience and offering now. So I'm ending the session now. If anything is there, you can get it cleared in the next day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.